The rocket is down and the chutes are out. You're eager to review your flight, and the RRC4 can provide your data in 3 unique ways. Beep out. Instant audio at the landing site. MDAX, a visual summary web app for any mobile device or computer. CLI export, a complete 20 Hz dataset in Google Sheets. When your RRC4 is set up to beep, you'll hear your peak altitude audibly, the same sequence every 10 seconds. No phone, no laptop. That's it. If you want more data, use MDAX to connect the RRC4 via Bluetooth. You can connect on demand anytime you boot up the unit. Or, when configured, it reboots automatically into UI mode after landing. Fire up MDAX Web or MDAX Cache and click on the UI mode button. First thing you see on connection, last flight summary. Apogee, max velocity, peak G-force, descent rates, flight time, and more. Tap through to the chart Last Flight View for even more detail. Blue is barometric altitude, red is barometric velocity. You get to see your full trajectory profile: boost, coast, apogee, descent, touchdown. Everything about your flight is available at your fingertips, all right there at the landing site. The CLI export gives you the complete, detailed data recording in high resolution. Connect via USB to the RRC4, export your flight data into a text file, then import into our Google Sheets template. Mission clock, barometric altitude, axial Gs, velocity, lateral stability, output events, battery voltage. Every data point captured for the entirety of the flight. Click over to the Flight Performance Charts tab. Full flight profiles include baro altitude and velocity, combined baro and inertial velocity, and many others. The summary pulls it all together in a single view with bar graphs and a full picture pie chart. Everything you need for a complete overview and flight-to-flight comparison. To recap, the RRC4 gives you your data your way. Beep out for the quick number at recovery. No equipment needed. MDAX for the visual summary on your mobile device or computer. CLI export when you want the full dataset in charts. All 3 methods are device agnostic and available to run on any device and any platform. That's Episode 5. Up next, Episode 6, Troubleshooting and FAQ. See you on the pad!